Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Hello, my friends. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, thank you for listening while cooking, driving, studying, relaxing, or maybe cleaning your room. Donna, are you cleaning your room now?
No, Wilbert, but maybe our listeners are cleaning their rooms right now.
That's true. Today, we have a very useful topic for beginners.
Yes, today's topic is introducing yourself in English.
This is very important because we introduce ourselves when we meet new people.
At school, at work, online, at a party, or even at a coffee shop.
Yes, sometimes people feel nervous when speaking English.
That's okay. Do not worry. We will practice slowly together.
And remember, mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes help you learn English.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And write a comment below. We love reading your comments from around the world.
Okay, let's begin.
Let's practice English together.
Donna, let me ask you something.
Okay?
When you meet someone for the first time, what do you say?
I usually say, "Hi, my name is Donna."
Very good, simple and natural.
Yes, beginners do not need difficult English.
Exactly.
So today we will practice simple self-introduction sentences,
Sentence by sentence.
slowly and clearly,
Okay, everyone, listen carefully.
and repeat after us.
First sentence. Hi.
Very easy.
Again. Hi.
Or you can say, "Hello."
Repeat slowly. Hello.
Good job.
Now let's continue. My name is Wilbert.
My name is Donna.
Repeat after me. My name is Wilbert.
Very nice.
Donna, can I also say I'm Wilbert?
Yes, that is very common.
So we can say, my name is Wilbert, or I'm Wilbert.
Both are correct.
Okay, everyone, repeat. I'm Wilbert.
I'm Donna.
Great job.
Now let's practice a short conversation.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Donna. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Wilbert. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very simple.
Very natural.
Now, listeners, repeat this sentence. Nice to meet you.
Again, slowly. Nice to meet you.
Excellent.
Wilbert, sometimes I get nervous.
Really?
Yes, sometimes I forget simple English words.
Me too sometimes.
Really?
Yes, one time I said, nice to eat you.
Oh no!
That sounds scary.
Yes, please do not eat people.
Please don't. But mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes are normal.
That's how we learn. Now let's learn how to talk about your jobs.
Good idea. You can say, I'm a student.
Or, I'm a teacher.
I'm a driver.
I'm a cook.
Repeat slowly. I'm a student.
Very good.
I'm a teacher.
Excellent.
Wilbert, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Wow, very handsome English teacher.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And what about you?
I'm a designer.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Sometimes people also talk about hobbies.
Yes, hobbies help people become friends.
Exactly.
You can say, I like music.
I like movies.
I like cooking.
I like playing games.
Repeat after us. I like music.
Again, I like music.
Very good.
Donna, what do you like?
I like coffee.
Coffee is not a hobby.
Coffee is my life.
Okay, that is understandable.
What about you?
I like reading books.
Wow, smart boy.
Sometimes.
Only sometimes.
Now let's make a longer self-introduction.
Yes. Listen carefully, everyone.
Hi, my name is Wilbert. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I like music and coffee. Nice to meet you.
Very good.
Now your turn.
Try speaking out loud.
Even if your English is not perfect.
Practice is important.
Okay, Wilbert, I will try now.
Go ahead. Hello, I'm Donna. I'm from Korea. I'm a designer. I like movies and travel. Nice to meet you.
Excellent.
Thank you.
You sound very natural.
Really?
Yes.
Yay!
Now let's practice questions.
Good idea.
Question number 1. What's your name?
Answer. My name is Donna.
Or, I'm Donna.
Question number 2. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Question number 3. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Question number 4. What do you like?
I like music.
Very nice.
Now let's do shadowing practice.
Yes. Repeat exactly after us.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Wilbert.
My name is Donna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm from Canada.
I'm from Korea.
I'm an English teacher.
I'm a designer.
I like coffee.
I like movies.
Excellent work, everyone.
You are doing great.
Donna, do you remember your first English conversation?
Oh, yes.
Were you nervous?
Very nervous.
Me too. My hands were shaking.
Really?
Yes, and I spoke very slowly.
But now your English is good.
Because I practiced every day.
That is the secret.
Practice every day.
Even 10 minutes helps.
Yes. Now let's practice meeting a new friend.
Okay.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. I'm Wilbert.
Nice to meet you. I'm Donna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Korea. How about you?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
That's nice.
What do you like to do?
I like watching movies and listening to music.
Me too.
Wow, we are friends now.
Yes, English friendship unlocked. Okay, listeners, now it is your turn.
Answer these questions out loud.
What's your name?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you like?
Take your time.
Speak slowly.
You can do it.
Now let's repeat important phrases one more time.
Good idea.
Good idea. Hello.
Hello.
My name is.
My name is.
I'm from.
I'm from.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I like music.
I like coffee.
Of course you do.
English is easier when you practice simple conversations.
Yes, small steps every day.
Do not try to learn everything at one time.
Learn little by little.
And speak out loud.
That helps your confidence.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's do one final introduction together.
Okay.
Hi, everyone. My name is Donna. I'm from Korea. I'm a designer. I like movies, coffee, and travel. Nice to meet you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Wilbert. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I like books, music, and coffee. Nice to meet you.
Wonderful.
Great job, everyone.
You practiced English today.
And that is amazing.
Keep going.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking English every day.
And remember, mistakes are okay.
Before you go, tell us in the comments, what is your name?
Where are you from?
And what do you like?
We really want to know. Thank you so much for listening today.
See you in the next English conversation practice.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.